We're at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, and today we're looking at a 2019 Honda Shadow Phantom in white. All of the other detailing, like the engine, is in black, with the exception for the exhaust. That is in chrome. We have drum brakes in the rear. We have the 2-up seat, and there are passenger pegs on here as well. This bike is also shaft driven, so there's no belt, no chain, really easy maintenance. The key on this motorcycle is on the left-hand side. And miles are 3,702. Nice and quiet as well, which will probably make your neighbors happy. Again, we're at Biggs Harley Davidson, located in San Marcos, California, and we're open for test rides 6 days a week.